Morning, everybody. I believe we are live. Anyways, ugh. I literally just woke up, rolled over, and now I'm here. Let's see if my mic is working. I think we are good, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, let's turn that down. What are we looking at here? Looks like we made a move up and we're pulling back down here. Just doing a little pre-market, not pre-market analysis. Market is open now. So we're kind of rejected off VWAP. We have a pivot up there at 22,160, which is pretty high up there. Let's see. I traded the overnight session on one of my prop firm accounts that I trade with. So yesterday at 1700, we opened up here on this candle, this mess, and we kind of just sold overnight. So question now is, are we going to be, do we see a sell up, or do we have a, are we going to sell down? Rejecting off of VWAP. Ooh, sorry guys. As I said, you know, I literally just woke up, turned around, brushed my teeth. All right, don't be a nasty. Looks like we're not able to get that up. I was wanting to, normally I would take the setup right here, but I just didn't feel confident in it, just because we have all this junk. So I mean, we might be continue selling, so don't want to enter right there. I mean, this is a perfect bull setup, but sometimes when the setup is just too perfect, especially, I mean, we're at the open, so I'm pretty glad I didn't take that. We have this pivot point right here at 21,935. So there's a good chance that if we keep selling, we might be targeting this low down here. And Christmas is over. Hopefully everybody had a great Christmas. Now it's time to move on to New Year's. But now that we're selling, what am I going to be looking at? I might be looking at potentially taking a short if we get this bear flag set up. So the market might want to come down here to this pivot, maybe hop around and sell. But this kind of junk right here, if we're looking at this, just this mess, not on the 1 minute chart, I'll draw it out. Typically what I've seen is that we kind of just chop in this range with this little move, a big sell off, and we chop. So this is like a bigger bear flag. So let's go to the 15-minute chart and I'll show you guys basically a bear flag for no leg lower. I mean, 800s is down here. If it's gonna break 900s, I mean, the only level that I could see we go to is around 800. It just makes sense. And we have a pivot point right here too. Or we hold this and we just chop until tomorrow. Today is Thursday, so I mean, we might be having chop fest. So maybe come down here for this bear flag. Cool. Anyways, I don't think I'm gonna be streaming for that long. I have time this week, so as you can tell, I'm fully focused on the board this morning, on the charts, not on my laptop. So I just have some time now, and I'm just gonna focus on trading, to be honest. I can finally focus on trading without just having to, you know, worry about something else. We're pulling up, so let's see if we come back up to 60. Something like this. Let's see, my bracket orders are good. Oh. Alright, don't want to get just building yet, but I want to see us. See if we can come back up and take 60. Or if it just wants to freaking keep tanking, do whatever you want. But I want to see some kind of consolidation form before I get in. Honestly, probably could have just taken that short. Because now it's 20 points down. Oh well, what can you do, right? Let's just wait to see some sort of consolidation first before we enter, so I think the market's gonna go without me. I don't know what I did in my nose, dude. It freaking hurts this morning. Either I slept on it wrong or something. And looks like we are continuing to sell. So no pullback. Markets just continue to tank. Would have loved to get into this short if it would have formed some consolidation. Come back up and chop a little bit. So we are approaching the lows here. It's the day after Christmas. Is it going to continue a trend? Are we going to be trending today, or are we just going to bounce off this level? Our friend ES is moving the same, so Nasdaq and ES are moving the same, just freaking knifing. Oh boy. What a sell though. I'm gonna bump this up to 120. 120 ticks. Ugh. So we're falling down. We have a pivot down here at around 800 level-ish. Let's see how the market reacts here. Do we get a bear flag set up here? I feel like if it does pull back, it's going to be maybe a deeper pullback than what we want, than what I want. Oh. Watching 900, this was the area that we just broke, overnight lows. Do we get some sort of bear flag form up here? Get a little bit of consolidation, and then we head lower, but I need to check to see if we have any news coming out. Might be a smart move, actually. I think it is a super smart move. No, shoot, today's a holiday for the UK, Spain, Italy, Canada. Wow. So 8:30 we had news, jobless claims. Oh, that was 7:30. This explains that kind of. Yeah, I don't really have any news today. I mean, relatively slow. Ooh, good thing I did not go short. Are we chopping? I don't want to get caught in the chop. I want to try to figure it out at least before we get chopped out. This is going to be the chop. Or are we going to continue chopping? ES is rallying back up along with Nasdaq, so on the 15-minute chart, leaving some good, oh yeah. Learn from my mistakes. Is this going to be a V up? Or are we just going to rally straight back up after giving everything up? That's on EMA. Bulls still have a little bit of strength. Not giving it quite. Not giving up quite that easily. Coming upon the top of the hour, so gonna be 9 o'clock here in 30 seconds. The Bulls are not giving it up. What a move. ES is approaching the highs again. Do we get a move back up to the upside? Just trying to be a little bit patient here. Bulls are definitely there. They're not giving anything up. Coming back to VWAP. I'm going to take a jab at a short here if I can get filled in. If not, I'm going to cancel my trade. I'm going to take a short, see if we can get this little small pullback. It's got about a 10-point stop loss. It's just about $400. There we go. Filled in 2 contracts. See if we can get this to flip red. We have a new candle open up here in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and just take that for $880. Probably could have taken more, but I'm good there. I'm just trying to lock in my payout for this stupid Apex account. So good thing I just kind of killed that trade, took it there. $400 on this trade, not bad. Pretty happy with that. Are the bulls gonna come through for this? No way. Yep. So I'm glad I took that profit there. See what the pullback that I was really looking for. Come back to VWAP. Jacking off of it. Anyways, if you guys are wondering what I'm doing now, this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna drag it over. So I'm just trading a combine for top step right now. I should have taken that profit at 1,000 whatever. But with that being said, I'm done with this Apex account. I mean, I'm up literally one trade. So this is what it is for the day. One trade, 483, 2 contracts. Say no more. I'm done. So done with that. Gonna be smart about it. I'm gonna take that, be at least positive 400 in this account. So just to give a quick recap, if you're just now joining in, one trade, 2 contracts, in and out, 480 something on Apex. So that brings my balance to like 6,700 or something. I don't know. And I'm just trading this combine right here. Let's bring you in. There we go. Now you get an even better view of this. I'm gonna bring up ES on my other screen because I like trying to see the two moving congruent. So we blasted back up, so maybe a good chance that we continue this rally back up. Something like that. Go back up to the upside. I think that's all I need. So let's see if we can get this rally back up. Or we just knife back down. There's a combine. This is valuation count. So hindsight is such a powerful tool because I could have just held it straight up here and I would have been fine, but I think we're just chopping now at this point. There's no trend, so I'm gonna see if we can get back down here. If it comes back down here, I'm gonna look to enter in long again and we can ride it back up. Looking pretty stable. I'm gonna put a buy order. Looking like I might get stopped again here. Unless they just want to save it, I wouldn't be mad. But again, this is combined, so I'm usually more aggressive in my evaluations slash any evaluation counts. And then once I do move to the funded, I'm more careful there. But for me, it doesn't make sense for me to spend too much time here in the evaluation phase of with the prop firm. I have done it multiple times before. I've been funded multiple times before, so it's like at this point I just can't waste time. See what's gonna happen here. Did we get this flip to green? Go attack the highs again. Would be nice. I'm gonna kill that trade there. At this point, lower high, lower high. I don't know. With it also being day after Christmas and everything, whatnot, I'm glad I took that. I do still got some more room to the downside. Oh, just notice this. Let me adjust this. Alright, there we go. I need my risk advisories to be visible. Looking at something like this, it's gonna break out. Get something like that. But I think we might be testing this levels again. Oh, we'll say this though. Oh, sorry guys. So good. Groggy. Be about futures is that you can just roll out of bed and trade it. And to be honest, it's kind of better to, at least for me now, if I wake up right at the open, it's great because it can give me some time to work. I mean, get ready and wash my whole face, do the whole 9 yards, brush my teeth, and then hop on. And I don't care if time passes. I mean, wait for the market to make a direction. It'd be a lot better anyways. What's going on here? We're gonna hold this. Something like that. Target it up there. Let's aim for this long, see if we can hold this consolidation, this little bull flag right here for this candle. We're gonna move up. Looking like I might not get filled. Where is that at? 38. So we're a little bit down here. Ooh, that's not nice. Never want to see that. ES is not saving itself here, so I might be again stopped out. Maybe the move was to go for a short. See if ES can save it here. I think we can save Nasdaq and we can kind of go back to the highs. But if ES is not gonna go green, I'm looking at my other screen, then we might not save it. I don't like the way we're moving here. If it goes up, it goes up, but I don't like this slow movement. Let's at least take some profit. And ES is not moving up either, so just not really confident in it. Then again, now that I've exited, it's gonna go to where my take profit was at. And if I did not exit it, it was gonna come down and stop me out. See how it goes. Anyways, this time, hoping it just flushes. Because that means that I had the right thesis. Cancel my trade, and I'm keeping an eye on ES on my other screen. Actually, looks like we're holding up here. Let's rally up. Anyways, volume is dead. I mean, day after Christmas. What do you expect? What do you expect, right? So there we go. It went to where my take profit was at. Of course, if I didn't exit that, it was gonna take me out. Oh, it's disappointing. ES is rallying up. Nasdaq is rallying. Coming back into this junk. Volume is pretty low, so I don't think we have a trendy market at this point. Maybe come back up here a little bit. Probably back to 22,000, and then we kind of fall back down. Ooh. I need to wake up. Stop yawning. I'm about to hit the gym after this, so let's see if I can get to 3,000 here shortly. And then just go to the gym. Kind of dying out here, but if these highs to go to, then they does Nasdaq not want to get this burst? 22,000. We're above, just a little bit above VWAP here. ES is also above VWAP, but still has strength. So I think let's come test this level again. Chop it back down. I think if we wanted to be a directional trending one way, we would have already done it, or at least made a big move up. But so far, we've had 2 moves, 3 kind of ish. This is 77. Not bad. I'm not really good at math, so I'm just gonna say looking about 80 points or something here. Actually, not even that. Like 70. As you can see, you guys can tell, math is not my forte. Making money is though, I'll tell you what. But anyways, if you missed it, I was not trading on Top Step. I was trading with Apex. I made $483 there. You can just kind of zoom back to the beginning of the stream, it was just 2 contracts in and out pretty quick. The trade that I made was on this candle, which I trade on Tradevate with Apex. I just have one account, but I'm moving on from them. They denied me out, and I had a pitch perfect trading. Anyways, $483 on Apex, one trade. Wanted to get a little bit more, see if I could squeeze to about 1,000, but I mean, I'm not rushed. That account bounces at like 6,700 now, so I'm sitting solid. And the first day I traded it I made I think 400 too. So 2 days now at $400. So I don't know. Apex is ruining Moors. I don't know if I can flip, because I flipped both days, and I think they're just trying to find a reason to deny me. The way they denied my last payout was a bunch of BS, if I'm being honest. 5 perfect trading days, and I always trade with stop losses, so I think they just denied me to deny me out. No surprise. But we'll keep on keeping on. I'm going to get a payout from them, and I'm just going to keep that single account with them going. Because now that I have some profit in there, it's a lot easier on my brain to be able to trade that. There we go, 1990. But yeah, now that I have profit in that Apex account, I mean, I'm above the threshold, so I can kind of trade that one nonchalantly. Like $50 in a day, great. Log it in. Well, I'm still here out here. I just want to see if I can get that. I want to see if they can break the 22,000 and bring it back down. Kind of stay within this range right here. Let me see if I can get a box drawn up for you guys. That's not it. You know what? I'll just do this. It is Thursday, so I think we might get the actual move tomorrow. But for now, the plan is, what I'm seeing is that we are dropping, and we're going to stay within this range here. Might break above this a little bit. But I reckon we stay in it. I reckon we stay in it. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So I'm trying to find if we can get this break 22,000s, maybe squeeze in some more bulls. Unless it wants to just, I mean, recover this move. It wants to go up here on Tradevate. They don't have freaking pivot points here, which is lame, but do they actually? Let's go here. No, they don't have pivot points. I don't know what these are, but I only use VWAP, so let's do this. There we go. That's the only indicator that I use. Come back to this mouse. Let's get that break at 22,000s. Leave a wake up here, and we can sell, or we sell right now. Get some water. Gotta stay hydrated, folks. Gotta stay hydrated. So I put a trade there, just that's the game plan right now. I think 22,000 is in sight if they... I don't see why the bulls don't break it one more time. Looking to take a short, just stay in this mess. 3 points away. Let me move up with it on the dom as well. There we go. They're 3 points away. The Bulls gonna have enough strength to kick it over 22,000. They're so close. They're gonna get it. Come on. Get it. They're not getting it. Alright. I'll play with you then. If you don't want to go get that 2,000, let me join you. Go short. How do you come like a couple points away? Don't hit it. About to get filled in. There we go. I don't need that much. This is a risky play right here, so just giving you guys a heads up. This is not financial advice, okay? Nobody follow my trades. Never ever follow anybody's trades. Not even mine. 18. 1825. Come on, move it down. There we go. So this is a really risky play by me, and it's very aggressive. But like I said, I'm looking to see if we can stay within this chop, kind of this big range here. I mean, it's plenty of room to make money. But if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. So now we just wait. And while we wait, we hydrate. This is the first candle, so I might want to chop it a little bit more. It's not ideal, but we'll play it. Come on, let's get a flush. Flush it back down to VWAP, please. Yes, it's kind of selling too, so don't be that. Don't do this to me, Nasdaq. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty on this one. Go down. Just flush it. Give me one big knife candle. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. I swear, if this comes a tick away from taking me out, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh. Come on. Keep falling. Keep tanking. What do you think, chat? Should I take it here? Anybody? Anybody? No? Oh no! Well, I had a chance to get out for there, but I'm gonna hold on this. What a move, though. I think if I would have been in 10 contracts, I would have gotten a hit. I would have gotten my 1800 that I needed. Oop. That is loud. Series of unfortunate events. Looks like I might be getting stopped out. Then it might go short after it stops me out. Whoa, that's disappointing. So they broke 22,000. That's what we were originally looking for. Obviously, shoulda, coulda, woulda taken that, right? Well, I wouldn't have. Shoulda, coulda, right? Oh, and taken out. So we're still positive on the day. What a move. One pullback, and then it just goes down. Sometimes that's how the frustrating, but that's sometimes how the cookie crumbles. The market give it, and the market take it. Follow another short. Let's see if we can stay within this range. Come on. You can do it. Go. 29 should be good enough. Or 150. No. 28.75? I need to do some quick math. I'm just trying to get to that 3,000. I'll move this out of your way so you guys can see the trade. I have to be pounded by the big white calculator screen. Is that it? Oh. There we go. Yeah, I think that should be enough. ES still hasn't quite broken out yet. Looks like it's starting to tank. Knife falling, that's what we want to see. Come on, ES. Bring Nasdaq back down to earth. If you don't mind. ES is kind of starting to give it up. ES is chopping, but Nasdaq has made new highs. So if we can get ES to, I'll show you guys. If we can get ES to, well, we can't get anything because we're retail traders. But if ES can tank, then I think it drags Nasdaq along with it back to the lows. So that's what I'm looking at when I'm looking at my other screen. ES hasn't quite made new highs yet. Let's see if we can get Nasdaq to follow suit. Get a big, not bono candle to the upside, but let's get a big sell here. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, don't do this to me again. Give it to me. Give it to me. Don't fade me. All right, I'm a little bit above the $3,000 threshold, so let's just go ahead and bring that down a little bit, shall we? I need to lose money, so this is what you guys are watching me do. No, I don't want to make money. Okay. Anyways, so this is what we were looking for, what I was looking for back here, but like I said, I think we're still playing within this chop range. Called it. It was not perfect. Right? But anyways, it was aggressive. It was a risky move, but volume is low. and I just didn't think that we were going to trend. Because if we were going to trend, either way, this, we're right here, and this is what I'm thinking. Like the thought process during the time was, let's get a bear flag down here, and we can continue down, go touch 800s. But we rallied up super high. I had along here like a couple of trades that I probably could have gotten taken out anyways. But let's stay one over of this combine. I still have to trade tomorrow. Not really looking forward to it, to say the least. But I'm glad that took me out perfectly. ES also was not creating new highs, so it gave me a little bit more confidence too to take that short right there. If ES would have made new highs, I think both would have continued. I'll show you guys again. So when Nasdaq, what I was looking at, whenever Nasdaq made this kind of new high of the day a little bit, for this candle, Nasdaq was just chilling. I mean, ES was just chilling here. So again, we're chopping. Anyways, I don't really need to lock out because I'm at the threshold target. But anyways, I think I'm done here, guys. I mean, there's no need for me to trade anymore. I made $480 on my Apex 100 account, and then I made $3,000 on this valuation. I also have this is my 50K that I passed last night, so just locking it out. But you guys, if not ready, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, because I will be live again tomorrow around the open at 8:30. That's my time the market opens. I'm on Central Time, so don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notification, because I am live streaming a little bit more often, and the goal is to be more live stream a little bit more in 2025 as well. So got a lot of big things coming on. I got some like big goals that I've set for myself personally, try to achieve. So yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Either way, y'all have a